Hello everyone, Ramakant featuring Go-HighLevel is how to use a product collection element. By using this feature, we can add SEO title, SEO description, and also we can update the product collection list element, everything. For accessing this feature, first you need to get into sub-user level account of Go-HighLevel and click on payments. After clicking on payments, you will get an option on as products. After in products, you can click on collections. After clicking on collections, you will get a page like this. We can get a collection name, everything. If you want to create a new collection, I will click on create collection, and here I can give the name as content as an example, and I will add the image here. I will browse the image from the computer, and I will take this as an example. If I want to add additional options, I can give the title as content, and I can give the essay description as learning content in 2024 or something I can give, and I can add it. After clicking on add, it will be added into our collection. Similarly, I have added XYZ and ABC. After this, I need to get into websites. I need to get into sub-user level of Go-HighLevel and click on sites. After clicking on sites, I will get a page like this because I have added all the collection items, all the items in the collection list. I need to get into that in my website. For that, I need to get into product list. After clicking on product list, I will click on edit. I click on edit in a new tab. After clicking on new tab, I will get a window like this. After this, I need to click on add elements here. Here I can add multiple elements if I want to add, but here I'm using the store. If I get into store, I can get the option known as collection list. I will drag and drop here upside. I will get a multiple items in this collection list, collection 1, collection 2, collection 3. If I want to add another collection also one, I can also add the other collection. Here it will appear. And here also I can do the padding changes, everything I can change as per the requirement. And I can change the designing, everything. Also I can use the coloring option, headline text. I can change the headline of the, if I change the color, it will appear like this. Example I'm showing here. I am changing the color as blue. If I give the color as green, it will take the headline text as green, and if I give the name as something different, it will take the name also. We can change, and the background color also we can change as per the requirement. And after that, I can give the format options, everything. I can give the default font, everything. And here also I can give the layout options, everything I can give. After that, after doing all the changes, I can click on save and publish. After clicking on this, the items in the list, whatever we have added in our collection list, it will appear on our website. Uh, by using this feature, like if we add SEO, so that the items whichever we have added in our list, it will rank in our website and it will get more users to buy that products. Thank you.